Hello, this is Trudy with True Wind Healing Travel, and today I am in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and I'm going to be taking you on an incredible walking tour from the San Juan Gate along the walls of San Juan on the water to the epic El Morro Castle. And I also include some video from our sail-in on our cruise ship where we cruise right by the fort. Now, truly this has been a day of it being about the journey, not the destination. Please join me. I hope you enjoy, and happy trails, everyone. All right, so we're getting close to San Juan Gate. And I might say, so this is it, the red gate that I climbed up in that turret right in front of me and got a great photo. So that's a good photo op. So I'm going to read you something in here that explains the symbology of this. It's very interesting. So we'll go through here. All right, so yeah. For centuries, Spanish dignitaries entered San Juan through this gate called the San Juan Gate. From here, they proceeded up the street behind you to the San Juan Cathedral to thank God for a safe voyage. Access to and from San Juan was controlled through 5 gates within the 3-mile wall that enclosed the city. Each gate had a different function. This gate was San Juan's formal or symbolic entrance. And so what we're going to do, I'm going to just take you to the cathedral. And I want to point out too the beautiful, it shows up really here, blue cobblestone that is throughout San Juan. Alright, so I just came up the street from San Juan Gate, the pathway that they took to San Juan Cathedral. And there they went for their blessings for having a safe journey. Alright, so I'm going back out the gate. Okay, so we are on the Del Morro National Recreational Trail. This is part of the San Juan National Historic Site on our way to Del Morro. So you can get there through this path, and also there's a street above that you can get there. And this is my first time coming this way. Okay, so I found a sign here and with a map that explains where we're going. And so we're here at the San Juan Gate, and we're taking this green dotted line to get into Del Morro. This is actually all the black line is the city wall, but the path is just 3/4 of a mile to Del Morro. So that is where we're going. All right, here we go. Oh, this has got to be one of those most scenic walks you can do. Now, we do have ominous clouds. There is supposed to be some scattered thunder showers today, so I'm gonna hustle here and try and get there before the storm. So we're on our way to Del Morro. Here we go. Okay, folks, we have another cat. A cat alert. I'm going to be drawing attention to all the cats we see. Ooh, there's one. Hi, kitty. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Oh, not very friendly. And there's another one. Ooh. Hi. 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 I hope I'm not harassing you because I love kitties. Look at all of them. Woo. Okay, folks. And there's a view of the red gate. Okay, so I found a sign here that explains the cats here. So I'm going to put a photo of it in the video with a description for those that are interested. So coming around the bend here, following this path, and just kind of give you an idea. And you're walking along the wall there. Okay, so I have a really good view here, and there's a little sign here that gives a little explanation that the wall construction began in 1630 and it was completed in 1790. And when the city wall was done, it was formidable. It measured 3 miles long and completely encircled Old San Juan. Okay, feels so good now. When the sun goes under the clouds, it really helps. Here's another one. Hi, kitty. All right, this is so cool. Coming around and seeing the cliffs here. All right, and there we have another sweet kitty. Hello, sweetie. Hello. Oh, I hope you get water. Oh, God, it's too painful for me to be that. Oh. Okay, all I can say is wow. Wow. Whew. It feels so invigorating to be here. Whew. And there she is. So here's a little bit on San Juan Bay. Okay, so here's a quote from King Philip IV of Spain on San Juan Bay. It is the front and vanguard of all my West Indies, and consequently the most important of them all, and the most coveted by my enemies. So it says, why did Spain fortify this island? Strategically located between Europe and the Americas, Puerto Rico became the gateway to the New World. Europe is about 4,000 miles to the east. The Americas, with their vast riches, lie to the north, west, and south. Trade winds brought ships directly to this bay. San Juan provided fresh water, food, timber, and a safe anchorage. Columbus claimed Puerto Rico for Spain in 1493, and for 400 years Spain fought to keep it. Okay, so now we're at the end of the path, and we're gonna go up the stairs to the castle. But I thought this was a really interesting. The water's so pretty, and all the plants along there, the greenery along the wall there. All right, folks, let's go. Oh, it's kind of neat to be between the greenery and then the water, and then next to the castle. When you come out, this is where you arrive. There's this big green space, and I think that's where they trained. It's now used for picnics and recreation. But let's go see the hours and possibly go inside. Okay, so entering Del Morro, and we have here of the defenses. Alright, so we're in the Great Plaza here, and I have only got 30 minutes, so this is going to be a power trip. And they mentioned the 3 flags, which are the Commonwealth of Puerto Rico, United States, and the Burgundy Cross, which was the Spanish military flag. And something interesting, how to see El Morro. Go up to level 6, great views in all directions. Level 4, the main firing battery. Level 2, original tower built, the oldest part of El Morro. All right, so we'll just see what we can do in a half hour. It was $10 to get in. She mentioned to go down stairs first, because it closes earlier. So we have here, ooh, I remember this. We are at the main firing battery, level 4. Wow, there's just so much to this. Okay, the best part is going in what they call a sentry box. Sentry stood guard in the observation post strategically located throughout the fortifications and city walls. This is where you get those amazing views. And GoPro can fit through here, so I can go. And remember, this is my path that we walked to get here. Now the sun's getting ready to get a storm. Alright, so I'm going to go up to the land defense level 6. Okay, we made it up to level 6. As high as we can go. So this is so cool. That's a lighthouse. And there's the 3 flags. So this is as high as you can go. Let's take a look at the Great Plaza from here. Here's the Great Plaza. Alright, so I'm going to conclude with one last sentry box from the highest level. Okay, last view, and we'll have that for a view. There's the entrance. Oh, and the beautiful ocean. There's the cemetery. Thanks for watching, and if you did like this video, please like, comment, or subscribe, as I will be doing a lot more videos like this. I'm going to be in the Caribbean for the next 3 months, and I'll even be back in San Juan. So please join me. Happy trails!